When we use the internet to communicate with our friends, we might use emotional symbols to express our feelings. In mathematics, symbols are represented by letters. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that involves substituting letters to represent unknown numbers for arithmetic calculation. It is an extension of arithmetic. The word algebra is derived from the second word in the book Hisab al-Jabr wal-Mugabalah, written by a famous Iranian mathematician, Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. After years of bad pronunciation by Europeans, it came down as Algebra, and eventually algebra. Algebraic expression is an expression that involves unknown numbers, which are represented by letters, or symbols. 2 plus 4 times 6 is not an algebraic expression, since it does not involve letters. The expression 5 plus x is an algebraic expression. It is the sum of 5 and the unknown number represented by x. Since the value of 5 plus x varies according to the value given to x, x is called a variable. Notice that the numeral 5 always remains unchanged. We call this numeral a constant term, or simply a constant. Let's study other examples on algebraic expressions. Suppose that rope A is 3 times as long as rope B. If rope B is h meters long, how long is rope A? Some of you might have wrongly thought that h cubed meters is the length of rope A. Remember that h cubed means h times h times h, and not 3 times h, or h times 3. John divides $P equally into 4 shares. How much is each share? Lilan and Li Mei have $42 altogether. If Lilan has Y dollars, how much does Li Mei have? There are some conventional notations in writing algebraic expressions. Click on the following expressions to see. We use the letter x to represent an unknown number. Write an algebraic expression for each of the following. When we find the value of an algebraic expression by substituting numbers for variables, we say we are evaluating the expression. For example, evaluate the following for a equals 2 and b equals 6. To find the answer, we simply replace a by 2 and b by 6. Try this. Things get more complicated when the variables are fractions. Consider this question. Can you fill in the boxes? Is the algebraic expression on the left-hand side, LHS, always equal to that on the right-hand side, RHS, for any 3 numbers A, B, and C? Dr. E Squared, who is a genius at evaluating expressions, can verify it for you. Key in a value for each of the variables given. Then click on Check button to verify. Help Postman Tim by finding the value of the expression written on each door. We use plus and minus signs to separate an algebraic expression into algebraic terms. Here are some algebraic expressions. Move your mouse over each of them to see the algebraic terms in different color. Coefficients are the numbers in front of the variables. Move your mouse over each of the algebraic expressions given to see the coefficient of each term. When we do addition or subtraction, we always add or subtract the quantity of the same kind of object. For example, 3 apples and 4 apples give 7 apples. In algebra, we also add or subtract algebraic terms of the same kind. 3x and 4x are called like terms. 5 sets of terms are given. Which of them are like terms? When we add or subtract like terms, we simply add or subtract the coefficients. Let's try another sum. Can you simplify it? Match each letter with a letterbox by finding a pair of equivalent algebraic expressions. Do you know, algebra exists everywhere. The rules of algebra even allow us to read the mind of the others. Let's try this mind game. Have fun.